My name is Rahmat Bibusrah. Metric number is CE170097.
My name is Wan Amirul Ashraf bin Muhammad Isham and my metric number is DE170039.
Assalamualaikum to Puan Sharifah. My name is Wan Shazina binti Wan Jazlan Zohari. My metric number DE170136. In this video, I will present about the introduction of the project and the objective of the project. This project digital signal processing is related to chapter 5, which is Z transform. How Z transform was created? This is the analysis of the sample data in the frequency domain is very difficult by using S-plane representation because the signal or the system equation will contain infinite long polynomial due to the characteristic finite number of the Z fold. Therefore, the Z transform is used to reduce the poles and zero to find the number in the Z plane by using the equation which is Z equal to exponential st. The function of Z transform is used to analyze discrete time system for finding the transfer function, stability, and digital network realizing of the system. The objective of the project is to determine the right coding for execute the specific function, to analyze the plotting graph of the recorded audio signal, to implementation the method of digital signal processing in the sampling the audio signal, to reduce the poles and zero to finite number in the Z plane, and the last is to analyze discrete system for finding the transfer function, stability, and digital network realization of system. Thank you.
I'm going to present about methodology. This project is to record and analyze the audio signal UTHM FKE by using the audio signal processing in MATLAB. The idea is decode using wavechord function with a sampling frequency of 11,025 Hz in 5 seconds. Then the output signal will plot and analyze. The next is the signal will obtain and specific audio data, and the floor and ceiling function is used to which map the integers value in x-axis and range get m word. After that, the audio will downsampling and upsampling by factor of 510 by using low pass Chebyshev filter method in MATLAB. Lastly, the Z transform method is to calculate the audio signal spectrum.
Okay, so today I'm going to present about the simulation on the MATLAB on how to record audio in the MATLAB using wave record function. So to save the time, I'm going to copy and paste the coding from the notepad to the MATLAB. Okay, so first we will start the coding using load function. Then we will use audio recorder to record the audio at 11025 sampling frequency, 16 bit, and at channel 1. Okay, so next we're going to record the audio about 5 seconds. UTHM-FKEE. Then we're going to get the recorded audio data and plot it. So this is the plotted audio data. Then next we are going to play the recorded audio in the MATLAB. UTHM FKEE. Okay, next we are going to retrieve the audio M from the whole audio UTHM FKEE. So from this coding we can see audio M equal to vSeal. We're going to use seal and floor function. So this is the time signal of audio M. So we can see from the graph. So first we zoom. Okay, then we see that the audio M is between 2.4 second to 3 seconds. So we're going to plot it at 2.3 second to 3 second. So from the graph we know that the audio M is between the 2.3 second to 3 second. Okay. Then we're going to plot the audio M. Okay, this is the plotted audio M. You can see this is in time. You can see it's between 0 to about 0.7 second. So this is in terms of the number of sample. Okay, next we are going to decimate the audio M. So we are going to decimate the audio M about 500. Okay, then we are going to plot. Okay. Okay, from the graph we can see the sampling number of signal that has been decimated. Okay, so next we are going to amplify the decimated signal. So we are going to amplify the decimated signal of 10. Then we're going to plot the amplified signal. Okay, this is from this we can see that this is the decimated signal and this is the amplified signal. So there are two graphs. Okay, next we're going to obtain the Z transform of the amplified signal. So we're going to use G equal to G plus E N plus 1 times Z over dengan negative N. So we can see that this is the final answer of the Z transform. So next we are going to obtain the signal spectrum. Okay, so from the graph we can see that is the magnitude spectrum and the phase spectrum. So you can see the magnitude of the amplified signal increase, decrease, then increase back. So this is the phase spectrum of the amplified signal. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusions, after applying the technique of modeling and analyzing and designing of audio signal processing in MATLAB, the signal was successfully recorded by using wave record. The signal of audio UTHMFKEE was recorded and manipulated for decimation and amplify the certain part of signal purpose by using control system toolbox. This project also was successfully to obtain the specific signal by using floor and ceiling function in MATLAB. After that, the Z-transform method was perfectly done to calculate the audio signal spectrum. That's all. Thank you.